it's very difficult when you get, what are we, February? You're about 15 months in, 16 months in, and there's no obvious sign of any improvement. And at that point, there it starts to you know, for something to survive and to last, you can lose games, or you have bad results, and you can have, you know, Antrim have lost plenty of Leinster Championship games down the years and different things. So, but there always has to be a sign of we're heading somewhere here. To come out from day one and say we have to play a sweeper, and Davy Fitz is kind of, not kind of, he has come out and said after games, well, if we don't play a sweeper, look at the goals we might concede. And that to me is the definition of a kind of a negative mindset. Like I'm no hurling expert, like, but there's a very basic, you know, there's a very basic flaw there. You know, when you're giving your opposition the extra bodies, then it has to be bulletproof at the other end. You can't concede 3 goals to Kildare, otherwise you're in serious trouble. And it just feels like, where does it lift itself from this point? How does it actually get back up? Because now it's 16 months in, it's showing no real sign of improvement. That's hard.
That was the thing for me that obviously stands out. The concerning thing is there's just a flat line here, like, you know, if that, like, at best, you know, and to change it up from here, obviously the bottom 2 go down, don't they?
Yep.
In Division 1 to Division 2, which will be, you know, a serious blow.
It's a big
to their
drop.
hopes.
And so there are things as well that, in fairness to Davy Fitz, that are beyond his control, in terms of, like, you look at the Antrim squad that's been for the past few years, and there's a lack of physical size. You look at, like, again, and go back to that game I was at, like, Waterford bullied them around Corrigan Park, just sheer physically,
Yeah.
massive in comparison.